Building wealth is a goal that many people aspire to, but it can often seem like an overwhelming task. It takes time, effort, and discipline to be successful with this goal, so don't be lured by get-rich-quick schemes and too-good-to-be-true opportunities that can send you down a dangerous path. The good news is that there are principles and strategies that can help anyone build and preserve wealth over the long term. And, the earlier you start putting these into practice, the better your chances of success. 1. You have to earn it. If you want to get rich and grow wealth, you have to earn it. There's no way you're going to get to what you want and where you want to be if you're not trying to get there. With money, this is pretty darn straightforward. You want money? Get out there and start making it. Get a job. Get a second job. Get a third job. Start side hustling and doing side projects to make more money. Are you in college? Get a side job in college to pay for school. 2. Set goals and develop a plan. Building wealth starts with making a financial plan. That means taking the time to identify your goals and game out how you can accomplish them. Building wealth begins with a vision and a plan, says Peter Casciata, owner of asset management and advisory services of Lee County. Start by defining your financial goals, such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or paying off debt. Be specific about the amount of money you need to achieve each goal and the time frame in which you hope to achieve it. 3. You need to save until it hurts. The third rule to getting rich is saving. It's not enough to just earn money, you have to save it as well. Otherwise you'll just end up like any number of famous celebrities who've gone bankrupt. Income alone just doesn't cut it. You have to save. But the real rule to get rich here is saving until it hurts. How much is that? Well, if you're not hurting yet, it's not enough. For example, last year, I saved roughly 40% of my after-tax income. Sounds like a lot, doesn't it? But there are plenty of people out there that are saving more, many over 50% of their income if not more. 4. Invest. Once you've managed to set aside some money, the next step is investing it so that it will grow. Money put in savings is important, but the interest rates credited on deposit accounts tend to be very low, and your cash risks losing purchasing power over time to inflation. Perhaps the most important investing concept for beginners is diversification. Simply put, your goal should be to spread your money among different types of investments. That's because investments perform differently at different times. For example, if the stock market is on a losing streak, bonds may be providing good returns. Or if stock A is in a slump, stock B may be on a tear. 5. Protect your assets. You've worked hard to earn your money and grow your wealth. The worst thing could be to lose it all due to a sudden tragedy or unforeseen event. A fire can burn down your house, a car accident can cause damage and medical bills, or a premature death can mean a loss of future income. Insurance is a key piece of building your wealth because it provides protection from these and other hazards. Home insurance will replace your home and belongings in case of a fire, auto insurance will make you whole after a car accident. And life insurance will pay your beneficiaries a death benefit in the case of an untimely death. 6. Manage debt and build your credit. As you build wealth, you'll start to find it worthwhile to take on debt to fund various purchases or investments. You may pay for things with a credit card to earn points or rewards. You might apply for a mortgage for a home or second home, a home equity loan for home improvements, or an auto loan to purchase a car. Maybe you'll want to take out a personal loan to help start a business or invest in someone else's. Conclusion. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your successes along the way, and don't get discouraged by setbacks or obstacles. With patience, discipline, and a clear vision of your goals, you can achieve financial success and build wealth over the long term. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.